Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The euro dropped against the dollar as business activity reports for the eurozone economy disappointed, briefly extending declines after US data showed activity there held steady, and ahead of a flurry of Federal Reserve speakers this week. A deal to buy Intel could accelerate Qualcomm's diversification, but will burden the smartphone chipmaker with a loss-making semiconductor manufacturing unit that it may struggle to turn around or sell, analysts said. Intel shares rose nearly 3% after media reports about Qualcomm's early-stage approach for Intel. Wall Street's main indexes rose as investors assessed whether a trend will develop in the week following the Federal Reserve's rate cut. The gains come amid comments from Fed policymakers and steady factory activity data, building on last week's sharp market rally after the central bank's decision to lower interest rates. The last session saw the dollar drop 0.3% against the yen. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.4% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The US Red Book Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate at 8 GMT. Japan's Jiban Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 minutes GMT. The US Consumer Confidence will be released at 14 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.